Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys all are doing well. So in today's video I will be unboxing this Korean and Japanese beauty box. This is called No Make No Life subscription beauty box. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. They have just sent me this to try out and let you guys know if I like this or not, and they mailed me around like the first week of July, but this came yesterday. I know the delivery took a lot of time. Also, this retails for $35 and there is free shipping and there was no custom, which I really liked. I thought they will charge custom, but there was no custom charges or shipping charges. This is by No Make No Life and this contains 8 to 9 Japanese and Korean beauty products. So this is the subscription box for July. So let's open this and let's see what I have got inside. So this is how the interior looks. Absolutely love the box, and the first thing I see is the summer essential booklet right here. This is for the month July. So the first thing I see in this box is this frill makeup pouch. Absolutely love this frill design, oh my god. And it comes with a zip and it is really big and spacious, which I really like. I really like the peach shade as well. The next product I have received is this is the UV Milky Gel. This is a sunscreen with SPF 31. I'm going to read out what this says. Protect your skin from the harsh UV rays from the sun. This 2-in-1 moisturizer doubles as a sunscreen. Don't forget to bring this UV gel with you when you go outdoors or to the beach. Okay, I'm going to try this out. Okay, this is how the product looks like. This is a very lightweight product and it's not sticky at all. Oh, smells amazing. Also, it blended out quite nicely. You can see, really like this. Very lightweight. The next product I have received in this box is this pretty pure white milk cream tone up and skincare. I'm going to read out what it actually says. Is your skin looking tired and dull? Try the pretty pure white milk cream for a radiant, brighter complexion. Apply this cream after your usual skincare for flawless skin who needs foundation. Wow. Okay, you can even use this cream on your body. It's perfect to brighten your elbows, armpits and knees. Okay, I really like the packaging. It's very cute and it's travel friendly, I would say. Okay, it looks like this, white again, but it has a little bit thick consistency than that sunscreen. It's quite thick, you guys, you can see, and smells kind of same. I'm just going to blend this and see how it looks. Okay, this definitely brightened up because it leaves a little white cast, so you can see the difference right here. The next product I have received is this foot moisturizing pack, and this says get your feet ready to wear your favorite sandal. This moisturizing foot mask is perfect to try on a lazy Sunday morning. The material is waterproof, so no need to worry about the cream leaking. Okay, I have to apply this and wear this and keep it for 15 to 20 minutes for best result. I'm definitely excited for this because I have not tried something like this and my feet definitely need something like this to moisturize. Okay, so I will definitely try this out today only. The next product I have received is from Etude House and this is the Bling Bling eye stick. I think this is an eyeshadow. Let me open this. Let's swatch this. Okay, nice bronzy shade. I will definitely use this on one of my tutorials. The next product I have received is this one. This is the Choosy Air in Beauty Gummy. Do you want plump, smooth, healthy lips? This beauty gummies contains collagen, calcium, hyaluronic acid and dietary fiber that work together to beautify your lips. I'm going to try this right now. Okay, I'm very excited for this because I have never ever tried any of this. Okay, It smells kind of weird. But look at the gummies. It looks like your lips. Oh my god, and it's very squishy. Let me try this out. It's too sweet. I like it, but the smell, I'm going to have this. It has peach and it tastes like peach and milk. It's literally yummy. Oh my god. The next product I have is this cute little ketchup bottle. It looks like that. This is the Yum Yum lip syrup in the flavor strawberry, and this what it is. Let me read out. Try glossy lips this summer with the adorable lip syrups from the same. In your box comes one of the lip syrups in a fruity flavor, cherry, strawberry or peach. I got this shade. I got the flavor strawberry. I got the flavor strawberry. So this is how the shade looks like. Definitely not my favorite because this won't look good. So the last product I have got in the box is this. This is the Sakura blotting paper and bandage set. Does the summer heat make your skin more oily? We recommend using blotting papers throughout the day to remove excess oil. How cute is the Sakura design on the packaging? We are in love. So this has blotting papers, 10 blotting papers and 2 first aid band-aid. And this is the blotting papers. Let me try one of this. I think I don't have anything. I do have oil. Just see. Okay, that's good. Thank you so much for sending this. I really like this box. It has some good products like the foot moisturizer pack, the milk cream, the sunscreen, the Etude House Bling Bling eye stick. I'm not a big fan of this lip syrup, but the gummies are really tasty, as well as the bag is really pretty, and blotting papers and bandage. Thank you so much for that. Now for the price you're paying, you're getting so many good products. I think it's really good. You can definitely go ahead and purchase this. I'm going to mention their link down in my description box below, so make sure you check that out. So I hope you guys find this video helpful, and if you enjoyed my unboxing, then please give this video a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Till then, take care. I love you all. Mwah. Bye guys.